before we get started on this double unboxing, I want y'all to do something for me right quick. Down below in the comment section, let me know how this January is going for you. Personally, I think January, as far as sneaker releases, was a bit slow. There was some clothing that I picked up, but as far as sneakers, I feel like it was a bit slow. Nike pushed a lot of their releases back, and definitely a lot of them don't have release dates, but a lot of them do. It seems like starting the 28th, things start to pick up a little bit. So January is not quite over, but let me know, have y'all picked up anything this year so far? And if you did, what was it? There were still a few releases that I was excited about, 2 of which I have right here today. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. New year, new background. What can I say? You know, you got the white wall on the back, the glass table. Nah, I'm joking. I'm actually just testing this out, trying to see whether or not I like filming out here. If not, we go back to the room. We go back to the sneaker background, but I'm giving it a shot, trying to switch it up a little bit, give y'all some diversity in the content. But today we got diversity with sneakers. I'm going to be doing a double unboxing, one of which I feel like is going to be a little controversial. I'm going to let y'all know that right now off rip. It's been a while since we did a double unboxing on the channel, but let's get into it. I'm excited to see both of these shoes. We'll go ahead, start with this one. Start with the one that's on top. Okay, so we got a pair of New Balances. If y'all haven't noticed lately, I've been showing New Balance a lot of love. If you're a non-believer when it comes to New Balance, if you're still skeptical about it, you know what? Get you a pair, try it out. Trust me, you won't regret it. Let's go ahead and open these up so I can show y'all what I picked up. So these are a new model from New Balance, and it is the 5740, I believe it's called. Take a look at that. These are fire. They actually did release in a black version as well, but I really like this white version. It reminds me of like the old school Mac computers with the really bright colors and things like that. I was digging these, and it's a new model as well, so I get to try it out, see if I like it. It looks like there's a lot of cushioning going on. I mean, it could just be aesthetics, all of this right here. It looks like it's gonna be very comfortable. First impressions, I love the colors. I can't wait to try these on, see whether or not they're comfortable. Of course, I'll do a full review and on fit to let y'all know a little bit more about it and how I'm feeling about it after I actually try them on. But for right now, I'm really happy with my purchase. And these retailed for $100. I'm not quite sure why the box says $120. But these were $100 even. I picked these up from Bodega. If you're not familiar with Bodega, they actually have New Balance collaborations of their own that a lot of people are familiar with. Last year, they were very, very hype shoes. For $100, I really don't mind trying something new. I know everybody's in love with the 992 right now. I'm a fan of the 992, but there are a lot of other New Balance models out there that y'all should be paying attention to. These, the 574 that I just did a review for, check that out if you haven't already. New Balance is putting in that work, so don't sleep on them. Let's move on to the next box. Now this next box, this box right here, is gonna piss some of y'all off, and that's okay. I buy what I like, and so should you. These actually showed up in like 28 hours, maybe less than 28 hours. I ordered these Monday at 11 a.m. and they came to my doorstep Tuesday at like 2 p.m. So you do the math. It was very, very fast shipping. Can't wait to get into these with y'all. For those of y'all who actually like them, let me know down below in the comment section. I was really looking forward to picking these up. Ori New York Art Studio. Some of y'all already know what it is. I can't wait to see these in hand. Alright, let's see. Let's see what it's looking like. We got the dust bag, the printed dust bag, Ori New York, the Ori Times. That's a little play on the New York Times for some of y'all that haven't got it yet. Here we go. The Empire City High V2. So these are a Air Jordan 1 bootleg rendition, whatever you want to call it, from Ori NYC. So like I said, this is version 2. It is the second sneaker that Ori NYC has put out. The first one was a leather model, and this one right here is suede. I'm going to tell y'all just from first impressions that suede looks and feels real nice. So does the leather around the collar. I'm really digging these. I know a lot of people don't like aged midsoles, but you know, to each his own. On this, I think it looks really good, that dramatic aged midsole, and we'll talk about all of that because I will do a full review and on foot for these. And I know a lot of people are gonna have mixed feelings, of course, but from the packaging with the dust bag, the custom box, the extra laces that come with these, so 2 sets of extra laces, these are really dope. Lady Liberty instead of the Nike swoosh. I like these a lot. I'm really digging these. I know there's a lot of mixed feelings out there about brands and people who make their own Air Jordan 1, Dunks, Air Force Ones. You know, it's kind of a trend right now, and I've talked about that in previous videos, so I don't want to get too far into it, but I will summarize my viewpoint or where I stand. Buy what you like. I'm gonna buy what I like. I've been collecting sneakers a very long time. I am not gonna let, you know, the sneaker snobs and the sneaker elitists tell me what I can and cannot buy. This is not a Nike product, and it wasn't created with the intention to deceive anyone into thinking that it was a Nike product. There's no marketing, no promotion that's associated with Nike. That is my viewpoint. I think that these bootlegs are not created with the intent to deceive or lie to anyone. Fakes, on the other hand, if you buy a fake Air Jordan 4 Off-White, if you buy a fake Dunk Low Syracuse, that is a different story. Those were made with the intention for you to fool somebody or to fool you, which I think is foul. That's a completely different situation, in my opinion. And I keep that same energy towards all of the brands. John Geiger, Bait, Vandy, Cool Kai. I keep the same energy with all of them. If I don't like their product, then I'll say that I don't like their product. But if you have a problem with the trend, then you can't praise one and condemn the other. You don't like the trend, you don't like any of them, which is fine. You're entitled to your opinions, but at the end of the day, I'm never gonna knock what another enthusiast wants to spend their money on or what they like. These retailed for $189. Initially, I did think that was a little bit high, but when you think about the way the Air Jordan 1s are selling out and the fact that they all have resale value to them, even if it's just a little bit of resale value to them, you're probably gonna end up paying around $190 to $224 on the low end if you're picking up an Air Jordan 1 resale. So putting it in that perspective, I wasn't really too mad at the price. Full review and on foot coming for both of these sneakers, so keep an eye out on that. If you are not subscribed already, I have to ask, what are you doing? Because you are definitely missing out. Go ahead and hit that button. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show us more on YouTube with some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next